count.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But
No.
we didn't count. That was the problem.
Yes. Hi everyone, let's check what Bebo is doing. I would like to revise addition of numbers. Although she has studied a lot from her kindergarten, as she is moving to grade 1, I would like to make her comfortable
Bebo,
with
what are you
numbers.
doing?
And to be honest, she loves it and
what
you
did
will
I
find
do?
it.
Then Bebo,
Mm.
please tell me what does 2 and 3 makes?
Huh?
2 and 3 makes.
2 and 3 makes 5.
Yeah, right. What does 3 and 2 makes?
3 and 2,
Yeah.
5.
That's also 5. Then what does 4 and 1 makes? What is 4 plus 1?
4 plus 1, 5.
Yeah, right. What is 4 plus 2?
4 plus 2, 5.
4 plus 2.
Six.
Yes, 6. What does 4 plus 3 make?
4 plus 3.
Yes.
Seven.
Yes, right. What is 10 plus 2 makes?
10 plus 2 makes 4. 50. No, no. 40.
40?
12.
12?
Yeah.
Huh?
12.
12?
12.
What is 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2. How will you count 10 plus 2?
This here 10.
Huh?
10.
Yeah?
And 2 makes 12.
Yeah? Yeah, 12. That's right. Then what does 10 plus 4 make?
10 plus 4. 40.
Yes, that's right. Then what does 10 plus 5 make?
50.
Yes, that's right. What does 9 plus 2 makes?
90.
No, that's not right. 9 plus 2. How will you find 9 plus 2? Tell me.
I don't know.
Let's take the help of something then to find 9 plus 2. Shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay, now Bebo is going to count with the help of color pencils.
So what are you gonna do? There are color pencils in this, right? Take how many color pencils? Take 15 color pencils now.
Tirumala.
Okay, take a bunch of color pencils then. Oh, how many are there? How many are there? Huh? How many are there?
I don't know. I'm bringing more.
Okay, you're bringing more? You're bringing more?
You know how to clean it. Just do this. Then you clean fast.
Oh yeah, you don't want to spread it, right? So that it's easy for us to clean, right?
Yep.
Yeah, right. Then let's do it. Now, let's take 9 color pencils from here.
Okay. 1,
Mm,
2,
mm,
3,
mm,
3,
mm,
4,
mm.
7. No, not 7. 9.
Is it 9?
9 putting 3.
Okay, then 4 plus 3 makes? Check what is 4 plus 3?
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. Then?
Is it 10? No.
Then
9.
Yeah, 9. We have got 9 color pencils here, right? Then we need to add how many more color pencils with it?
11.
Yeah, 2 more. So it makes 9 and 2 makes?
9 and 2 makes
Yes, 11.
Now how to tie? Show me how
First
to
do this
Huh?
and do this. Oh, but this pink one can't get out.
No, please tie it.
And do this and pull it tight.
Yeah.
And that's how we do it.
Okay, let's put this bundle here. This is a bundle of 8.
Eight.
This is a bundle of
8.
8. There are 8 pencils in this bundle, right?
Roll,
Okay.
now if it's rolled, then it's not going to go anywhere.
It's not gonna go anywhere. Now let's keep the 8 here. 8 number of pencils here. Let's add 3 plus 8. What is 3 plus 8? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. How many pencils are here in this bundle?
8 and 3. So we got to count
No,
it.
we don't want to count this because this is 8. Already 8. Then comes 9, 10, 11.
Eight.
Yeah. What is 8 plus 3?
11.
Yeah, 11. So it's
So-
easy to count, right?
Yeah,
If
so
you make a
let's-
bundle like this, it's easy to count, right? If
Yeah.
you make a bundle like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Now let's
Now let's
keep
off.
it here. And Bebo is telling if we tie like this, it's not standing there properly. So she has made
No,
a
no,
bowl
no,
for
it's
the
not.
pencils.
No, this
Okay,
is
you
not
have
about
kept-
this. My makeup thing. So
Okay.
let's keep it back.
Let's keep it here. Okay, how many pencils are there in this?
It is 8.
Okay, 8. Now we are gonna add 6 with 8.
Okay.
Take 6 pencils from here and keep it no,
One.
not here, not here. Keep it
One.
1, yeah,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4.
No, not 4. 6.
You are keeping 2 more. Okay, then it has become 6. Yeah, 6 is enough. Okay, 6 is enough. There are 8 pencils in this pink one.
Sada fast and
Okay, that's good. Now 8 pencils there are there here, and now how many pencils are with you? 6 pencils. Now we need to find what is 8 plus 6. What is 8?
Okay.
What is 8 plus 6?
Let's count.
Okay, let's count.
8.
After 8, there are 8 here. Yeah, 8.
9,
Uh-huh.
10, 11, 12, 13, 40.
Yeah, 14 pencils, right?
So let's
8
take
plus
those
6 is
pencils.
14 pencils. So now let's check on another numbers. There are 8 pencils here. How many pencils do you want to add with 8?
With 8,
Huh? Let's add. How many more?
we can add, I think, 11.
Okay, 11. You're gonna add 11 with 8.
Yep.
So let me ask you one question. Which is the biggest number, 8 or 11?
11.
11 is the biggest number. So you're gonna add 8 with 11. So let's keep 11 pencils in this pink bowl. Let's keep 11 pencils.
In the pink bowl.
Yeah.
But we
Now
don't
there are 8 here. Now keep how many more 8 are there? 9,
9,
10,
10, 11.
11. So 11 are here, right? How many pencils are here?
11.
Now we are gonna add 8 with 11. Okay? We are gonna add 8 with 11.
with 11.
Now,
Let's take plus we need to count. We'll put on
it's
the
already 11, right? Do you wanna count it again?
bowl. Yeah.
Okay, fine. You can count it again.
Like this. Like we can hold it and put here.
1,
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
You know why? If we mix 8 and we count, we have to do that, right?
Okay. 3 after 3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more is needed. Oh, it's so good that you have counted. 11. Now it has become 11, right? How many are there? 11. Now we need to
But you
add.
forgot to count,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
but
Now-
we didn't count that. Was the problem.
Yes, yes. Now let's add how many with 11? 8 with 11, okay?
Yeah.
Let's always keep the bigger number in this pink bowl. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Let's keep the bigger number in this pink bowl.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Is it
Yeah.
fine with you? Show me a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
But
So-
for putting small in the pink bowl, that's not that.
Yeah. So only the bigger number, the larger number will be keeping in this pink ball. Okay, now let's add 8 with 11. Now take 8 pencils from here and keep it here. 1. Yeah, keep it here. Keep it on the
1,
table. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8. Okay.
It's
8.
1, so we can put those 2.
Okay. Let's give it.
But we don't need this, right?
Yeah, that's compass. We
No,
don't
we
want.
need.
Let's take it later then.
We need in why? Because we need to count.
Okay, fine. Let's keep it there. Now there are 11 pencils in the pink bowl and there are 8 pencils here with you, right? So let's count. There are 11 here. We don't want to count this 11, right?
Yeah.
After 11 then comes, give me.
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16, 17. After 18, 19. Yeah.
I actually said without counting with those 2 pencils.
Yeah. So there
I
are.
tinkered with my
You
mind.
thought with your mind.
Yeah.
Okay. Then there are 11 plus 8. There are 19 pencils all together, right? There are 19 pencils all together. Now let's count some.
You did a mistake. Good thing I put this here.
Okay, that's fine. Now let's do one thing, Bebo. Now let's count 20 plus 4. What shall we do for counting 20 plus
Okay,
4?
20 is big, so
Yeah.
we can put it here.
So imagine there are 20 pencils here. We don't want to put it. Just imagine there are 20 pencils here. We don't want to put it because there we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and keep it here. So it's a lot waste of time, right? So let's imagine there are how many pencils here? 20 pencils in this
No,
bowl.
it's easy. We can just take 3 pencils. Is that
So let's
okay?
we don't want it. Just imagine there are
Because I know why.
Uh-huh.
Because we can't have counting.
okay. So we don't want to waste time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep 20. Let's imagine there are 20 pencils in this bowl, and now let's add 4 with 20. Now take 4 pencils and keep it here. Take 4 pencils.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3, 4. Okay. Now
Wait,
there are
20.
20. There are 20 here. There are 20 here. Then
20, 21, 22,
20.
24.
Yeah, 23, 24. There are how many pencils all together? 24
24.
pencils. So
So
20
beside-
plus 4 is?
no.
What is 20 plus
So-
4?
24.
Now you found it.
It is
21.
it.
Yeah, you can count it again. It is?
90.
No. There are 20 pencils here. Now you will have to count 21,
21,
22, 23, 24. So 20 plus 4 is?
24.
Yeah, that's right. We found
And
it.
this is
So
a
easy,
hand.
right?
This hand I know.
Yeah, it's a hair dryer.
I know that.
Yeah. Now let's count another number. What is 15 plus 6? What will you do?
15 plus 6.
Huh? What will you do to count 15 plus 6?
Okay,
Imagine
here is 50.
15 pencils are here.
Count because it's going to be bad because we can't do it.
Yeah, we don't want to waste our time. So let's imagine there are 15 pencils.
ഇവിടെ വെക്കണം വെച്ചിട്ട് എന്താ അറിയാമോ വെച്ചിട്ടിടാ അല്ലാതെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല ഇവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട്
Okay, let's do. There are 15. Imagine there are 15 pencils in this pink ball, okay? And I've kept it here. There are,
No, we
imagine.
don't need this.
We don't want? Okay, we don't want. Keep it there. Imagine there are 15 pencils here.
No,
and
no.
Then we need to count plus 6. What happened? What happened, Bebo? Tell me what happened. What happened? Tell me. What's the matter? Do you want to count 15 pencils? We don't want to waste time counting 15 pencils and keeping it in the pink bowl. Is it okay? Oh no. What shall we do? Do you want to count 15 pencils? If we count bigger numbers, means we'll have to train like this. We'll have to count, imagine and keep it in our head. We'll be saying like this: 15 on our head, or 15 in our mind, and 6 in our hands. We won't be having color pencils always with us, right? So we'll have to use our hands also, and we'll have to imagine keeping 15 numbers in our mind.
10 pencils we can count, but bigger numbers no.
Okay, bigger numbers we don't have to count. Okay, is that fine?
Okay.
Okay then. So we're gonna count 15 plus 6. What will we do?
We count 60.
15 plus 6. We'll be keeping 15 in our mind, and we'll be taking 6 color pencils here. 1, 2.
No, 2. This I don't want to waste time. And in the head.
Okay, we are thinking in your head, right? Now 2, 3.
4.
Okay, 4.
6.
Okay, 6. That's it. 6. So where is 15 now? 15 in our
is
mind.
here.
Yeah.
50 is here.
Yeah, 15 is here.
50 is in the font.
Okay, fine. Okay, 15
No,
is
the
here.
50 is in the...
Okay, 15 in the bowl. Fine. 15 in the bowl. Now let's count it. Remaining. Count it, please. Remaining 16,
17.
17, 18.
Wait.
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking with 3.
Okay. 18. After 18, 18.
21.
Yeah, that's right answer. 21. So 15
I
plus 6
count
is...
it in my mind.
Okay, count it in your mind. Okay, then 15 plus 6 is 21. That's right answer. Now let's count 17 plus...
Now could I tell?
Yeah.
17 plus, you tell now.
7.
17 plus, it kind of need to be easier number if you want lower number.
Okay, fine.
Because I want to count too. The lower number is also one lower and one big number.
Okay, what is 17 plus?
70 plus and it is gonna be 10.
Yeah, okay, 17 plus 10. What is 17 plus 10? Which is the bigger number, 17 or 10? Tell me. Which is the bigger number?
17.
Yeah, 17. We'll be keeping 17 now.
17 is gonna be here.
Okay, it's gonna be here. Then after that, 17.
It's gonna be 10.
Yeah.
17.
It's right. It's 10.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. Okay, let's count 17 plus 10.
Okay.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
No. We need those number only. I have to put it in my hand. Okay.
Yes! 17 plus 10 is 27, right? 17 plus 10 is 27. Now, let's keep the pink bowl over here. Let it go with the makeup box. Now let me tell you what is. Let me ask you what is 12 plus 3.
We put
In that case, we'll be keeping 12 in our mind. Okay?
No, 12 here.
Okay, 12 here.
No, 12 in the makeup box.
Okay, 12 in the makeup box.
The big numbers in the makeup box and the small number is in the table.
Is on the table, right? Okay,
so
fine.
we have to do this.
Okay, let's take it again. Then, what is 12 plus 8? In that case, will be which is the bigger number, 12 or 8? Which is the bigger number?
12 or 8.
Which is the bigger number? Tell me.
12.
Yeah, 12 is the bigger number. We have kept 12 here. And now, how many pencils should be here on the table? Tell me, how many pencils should be here on the table?
On the table should be.
There should be, 8. Now let's count 8 and keep it on the table.
No, we need those. You know why? This is 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
what? How will it become 8?
where to count?
Or what if we take 2
Here
from it?
is-
Okay, fine. Okay.
The bigger number, lower number.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 8. So how many are there in the pink bowl? Okay, fine. Okay, let it keep it there. Now there are 12 pencils in this bowl, and we have got 8 on the table, right? There are 8 on the table. After 12 it is?
8.
After 12 plus 8 is? How will we count?
We have to count with a mind.
Yeah, mine.
But we don't have to count with a mouth.
Let's-
We have to count it in my mind.
Okay.
But I will count rest of it.
Mm-hmm.
I will count with 4 numbers.
Okay, let's do one thing. There are 12 here and 12 on the table, and 8 on the table. 8 on the table. So after 12 it is 13. 14.
Hey.
Uh-huh.
30,
14, 15, 16.
16, 18. No.
That's right. 16, then 17.
No.
Mhm.
21.
Not 21. You have made a mistake. Just count it like this. After 12 it is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
20.
Yeah, that's right. 20. There are
Let's
20.
put those.
20 pencils all together. Keep it back. Today's section is over.
No. We need also to count more.
Let's
I
see.
don't know a lot about it.
Okay. Let's do it tomorrow then. Let's go do it tomorrow. Let's pack up. You can continue with your playing. Is that okay?
No. I don't want to play. I want to go there and play.
You want to go there and
Now
play?
that's
Okay,
a wrap
fine.
for numbers
Keep
for
it
today.
all back on
Look
your
how much she is interested
bag.
with numbers.
It's a
See you all tomorrow with
That's
another
way
section.
long.
Kindly subscribe to the channel and
That's
please
a way
share the
long.
link with your friends and family. I need all your support and prayers throughout. Okay then, see you all. Take care. Bye bye.